It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Different ways to do intermittent fasting. We've talked before about intermittent fasting as a way to start burning fats for energy. The body will always go for the easiest source of energy. Sugar in the bloodstream is the quickest, easiest thing for your body to use. The whole point of keto is to get the sugar out of the bloodstream. Then the only source of energy left will be the fat in your body. Your body will have to burn fat to get energy. What's the very fastest way to get the blood clear of residual sugar? First, don't put any new sugar in, and that includes carbohydrates. Second, try intermittent fasting. Now, don't get all excited or scared when you hear the word fasting. Intermittent fasting means you only fast for a part of the day. For instance, you could eat your last meal at 6 p.m. Don't put anything with calories in your body after that. Water and caffeine-free tea with no sweetener is fine. If you don't eat until breakfast, say around 7 a.m., that's 13 hours that your body gets to clear out sugar and also for the cells to rest. Or to be super simple, you can just try skipping breakfast. Or you can try only eating within an 8-hour period every day. So let's say you eat your last meal at 8 p.m. and then you don't eat anything until noon the next day. Eat all the food for the day between noon and 8 p.m. Doesn't matter if you have 3 small meals or 2 larger ones, as long as you don't eat after 8 p.m. or before noon. When you do eat, you should try to eat keto. But even if you don't eat fully keto, you can try to work toward it by eating fewer carbs. Many people lose lots of weight just by intermittent fasting. They don't even change their diet. All forms of intermittent fasting take some willpower at first. But if you can just do it for a few days in a row, it'll start to feel natural and you'll start feeling younger and healthier fast. And our medical disclaimer, if you have a specific health issue, especially around your blood sugar, make sure to talk to your doctor first. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.